So we are looking for boots. If you haven't seen my Snapchat, you know where we're at. Well, follow me. I'm gonna put it probably in the link below. Ooh, look at how soft these look. And it is pretty high. We got trees galore. We came for boots, but sadly there is no boots. Haven't been found them. Good luck, buddy. There is no boots. But oh, Mom, look it! Mom, look it! There's no boots. We literally drove 2 to 4 hours to get here. And there's nothing. So, yeah. Oh my god, guys, look at how soft this is. Huh? Oh, that's so cute. Look at all those helmets. That unicorn one looks ugly though. I want to go on the bike rides again. Like around the block. So we drove 4 hours. And we were just on the hunting. I don't know why. But now we're on the jackets. Soft. Even softer, softer, softer. This is what I have, except mine is not this soft anymore. So we are gonna leave probably because there's nothing here. Even though we drove 4 hours to get here, we didn't get nothing. This is cute. So
hey babe, it's starting to get cold.
I'm so mad because I was supposed to get boots and my brother.
Good rule.
And it's almost like,
Mom, come here, mommy.
look at this ball.
Come here, do you want for me to play at the house, Mom?
Oops, I'm not gonna play with that. This is where rich people live, and I am not rich. So we're gonna leave. Okay. But yeah, guys, we're leaving. I'm really mad because it's like we literally got nothing here, and it sucks. I mean, I don't want a new jacket or whatever, but like. Ooh, I like this red one. This is a red North Face. I want some fuzzy socks.
That's the only kids section right there, right?
Yep.
That's the only kids section?
Yep.
I'm gonna go look at the over here.
So, yeah. By the way, guys, I've been obsessed with this hat. Literally can't even see. Isaiah would like this green one because he's like the... I like this red one for some reason. I don't know why. This red one looks really bright. There's a pink one hat over there. Look, I like stuff like this. Simple. For Lily?
Yeah, I seen it. I think 2 weeks ago I seen it.
Yeah, everybody's taking everything. So, yeah.
This is like $10.
So we're by the jackets again. And this is ugly. That's ugly. Say hello to my vlog. Ooh, I like this. This is like, trying to see if you guys can see this. But there's like blue in it and it's super fuzzy. I like fuzzy stuff. Imagine if you saw this at the Goodwill. I'm so mad. Like literally, I know it doesn't look like I'm mad, but like I'm so mad because we drove 4 hours. We got McDonald's earlier, but I'm tired. It's 6 o'clock. It's 6 o'clock. It's 6:12. What? So now we're looking at the gloves. And there's a lot of stuff. But
I thought that was cute.
yeah, like this?
No, a window just spins and it's supposed to make it look fat. It was just something like this, but a little thin.
Oh, that's cute. Oh yeah, I like that. It's my jacket. So yeah, we haven't got nothing.
No, don't.
You were supposed to come get boots. I am so tired. I feel
I
tired.
don't like looking. I don't like looking really fat.
This is weird.
I learned to drive when I was like. There was 9.
This is cute. I like the color, like a peachy.
No money to buy each of us a bike or even buy a bike.
I like this color. It's like a peachy orange. This one's like a steel one. Oh my god, $1,999.
Free. Big bike.
Whoa. Oh, Sophie, look it. That's what we got. Yeah. Oh my god, did I tell you the story? So one time we left it right there by the Goodwill because like we got picked up and we couldn't fit it in there. And the next day we came to Goodwill, it was there and it was for sale.
You're lying.
Yes, it was for sale. And I was like, oh my god. And it had said someone was buying it. I was like, oh my god. I was like, oh my god. We had to cancel the purchase.
What if there was some that you had to carry a little thing and you gotta go? Don't grab them from the side. Oh, mine would be silly.
I-Z-Z-Y.
It would be silly. Or missile.
Just gonna leave that right there. We haven't found nothing. And I'm crushed. I feel so tired and it's barely 6 o'clock. Vlog. Called a vlog. So tired. Like, I feel like I've been up ever since 8 o'clock. Yes, I've been up ever since 8 o'clock. Look at how cute. This is cute, but for 20 bucks?
My mom let me go on this. My mom let me go on this.
Yeah, I know, but don't take it off.
So, yeah, I think I'm going to end up the vlog right here. We don't find anything. I just got scared right now because I saw that and I was like, oh my god.
Oh no, you're on your own.
But, yeah. I'm probably going to end it off. I'm going to go sleep inside the car.
Your whole vlog knows your name now.
Yeah, my vlog always knows my name.
No one knows my name.
His name is Michael. Then you could put streaks.
Giantest frisbee in the world.
Look, Isabel, you sent me streaks once and you never sent them back. I was like, did you streaks back?
Because then they got lazy. And like, even though all you gotta do is just take a picture and write an S on it,
Couldn't even do that.
it's hard.
What did you want
But you
Are
have
you
to
sure
what?
that long ass video is gonna actually post?
Oh no, I'm just doing this for my own self. It's 9 minutes long. You know what? You can actually upload it a whole like.
You must be crazy.
Okay, well, bye guys. So the 10 subscribers I have. Oh, look at these Van socks. They don't look that cute though. I don't like how it's Rowan right here.
I'm not skater boy. Here you go.
Okay, well, let's go. Bye guys.